our gyprock plan that we got when the gyprock got delivered. And look, the first time we looked at it, completely overwhelmed. There is pages and pages of instructions and what to do, what not to do, sizing, all of the rooms are laid out. But now this guy is my best friend, and today we are going to attempt to do a video of us gyprocking this back wall here. This wall is the south wall. This isn't going to make any sense. Well, maybe it will to some people, not to us when we first saw it. But it's the south wall of bedroom 2. To measure out and cut the bottom part, put that on first. Measure out and cut the top, put that on second. There's gluing, there's drilling, and there's some support beams at the end. At the end of this video, hopefully, we'll have a nice looking wall in bedroom 2. Here goes nothing. Some markers for 4 centimeters up off the floor, and we put those in place until we get our flooring down. So now what we do is just do a quick check that it fits, and then we can glue it up. This is the glue that we're using. Every 20 to 25 mil, 20 to 25 centimeters up the frame. So we love walls like that because that was super simple. But what we're going to do next is, I might move the camera up so you can see the roof, but we're going to measure out the door frame that we've got there, and we've got a jigsaw that we use to cut the gyprock, to cut that out. And we already know as well that we need to take about 20-25 mil off the top to compensate with the depth of the gyprocking. So I'm just gonna jimmy this a wee bit. Okay, there. Okay, bit of a jig, and now you can see the roof. So we're gonna take some measurements to cut out that guy there. And we can't fit in the room, we can't fit the sheet in the room, so that's something else that we've had a bit of problem with some of the smaller rooms that we've got. The sheeting sizes are too big, so we'll cut it out there and we'll bring it in and we'll fit it and see if it fits well, and then we'll do the same process where we glue and screw. So, yeah.
Stuck. You know what the problem is? We measured up to the wall and got the edge of the plaster.
I don't know what you mean. Oh, up there.
It's a centimetre too big. So, is that there? This is right there, right?
Oh, I don't know, we haven't tried it. Do I try that? At an angle?
Well, how about you bring it down?
You can. My end is completely stuck. Hang on. Whoa.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Fucked.
Yeah.
Well, we can cut from that end.
No. What does that say? This bit. Does that fit?
Yeah. Well, I can't see the plaster, but...
Does it line up with the wood?
Yes.
So it's your end that needs to be trimmed.
Will that be easier?
Actually, no, it's my end.
No, it's your end that needs to be trimmed, so that can go in a bit.
Yeah. Centimetre off this end.
Okay. We can just do it here?
Yep.
You got it? You got it? I'll get the things. Ready? To you a bit more?
Yep. Stuck in something.
It's stuck on this fucking corner. There we go.
My end's sitting down.
Well, it's not around the wall. Right. Do you want
Oh, yeah?
to brute force?
No, I don't, but I'll just slice that off a little bit. That's the only bit, right?
Yeah. Actually, that's sitting quite nicely though. Yeah, it's nice everywhere else.
Just that little
Just
bit.
that tiny little bit there.
Yeah, so I'll just do that with the file. That's a nice seam.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, I think once you get this wee bit here,
Even this edge is alright.
well, that's actually got a big gap, but once you get rid of that bit there and it goes in, this will drop.
Yeah. Well, this gap is okay. It's taped.
That's how we like
Yeah.
Dave Bonnie and stuff.
But it fits nice at the top.
Yeah. Okay, well let's fix this corner up and then we can glue it up if you have to glue it once you've done that.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
while Matt looks for a ladder, the reason we had to chop 1 centimetre off at the end there was when we measured the width of the wall, we didn't account for the plasterboard that we'd put up on the other side there, so we had to trim 1 centimetre off. So these are just little things that we're noticing as we go along that we forget to do, but luckily for us, cornices. So they're going to be our saving grace, I reckon. But it's a pretty straightforward job. Just got to get the measurements right, triple check them, and we've used, like I said, a jigsaw tool to cut out the holes for the doors and the windows. So yeah, pretty good.